In this video, let's see how to use SMS to YNAB app to sync your SMS with YNAB. So you click on SMS to YNAB app, let it open. So mainly in this app there are mainly three tabs. One is the sync tab, and this is a sync button. Then there is a template section over here and the settings section. When you use it for the first time, you go to the settings tab. Here you have to set your access token first. To get your access token, you can click on the link over here. It will take you to the YNAB developer page. Here you can click on the new token. If you haven't logged in, they will ask for the username and password. So once you key in your username and password, you should be redirected to this page. Here you click on the new token. It will again ask for the password. You just type in your password and click on the generate button. I have typed in my password here, clicking on generate button here. Now we will get a new personal access token. You copy it from your mobile. You copy the whole access token, make sure that everything is copied. Click on copy, go back to the SMS to YNAB app, click on the access token card. Here you can paste your access token which you have copied. Click on set, so access token has been set. To show budget updated successfully. So now the budget has been updated. So whatever budgets are available in this account will be available here. Tap on the budget card, choose your budget. So right now in this YNAB account there is only one budget. I'm choosing this one. Click on OK. It should automatically update the accounts. So here I have only two accounts, and those two accounts are available now. Now the next section is to create the template. Go to the templates tab, click on the plus icon over here. It will ask for the permission for SMS, allow, then choose a message, whatever message you have received, which you want to parse. Click on the message, choose the message. Here there are some parameters that you have to choose. So trigger, first one is trigger. Trigger is something in your SMS which matches, and if that phrase or unique text matches, then we'll try to parse the message. So I'm choosing this as my trigger. Make sure that you don't select any space, leading or trailing space after the text. So this is my trigger. So if I receive a message with this text, initiated on RBL credit card ending with 0000, then it will try to pass the message. Once selected, click on the trigger button. So it will show what you have selected. Next is to select the price. Make sure that you don't select anything other than the numbers. So the decimal point is also fine, commas is also fine. Rest of the stuff like INR or dollar sign or something, you don't select that. Don't select the leading or trailing space. After selecting, click on price. It will show here. Next one is the date. I choose the date here. Same here as well, don't select any space after or before the text. Click on date. It will ask me, it will ask for the appropriate date because of the date and month issue. So we have to choose, it should read as 7th March 2019. Click on OK. After that, it asks for the memo, so where you have spent your money. So Play Store test is where I have sent the money. Here also make sure that you don't select any space. It should be like only the place. There could be space in between the text, but not before or after that. Click on memo, and finally you have to select any text which could be varying in the SMS in the upcoming messages. So here when I go through this, most of them is static. We have selected the price, we have selected the date, we have selected the place where we have spent the money. Right now we have to choose this one and this one. So these things will vary, available limit will vary, time in which I have spent will also vary. So I choose the first one, time. Here PM also I will select because this could change, it could be AM also, so I consider this as a varying text. I click on ignore. Similarly I will select for the balance also. So selected this one. Make sure that you don't select the last punctuation like the full stop or something, so that it can parse perfectly. So once you have given every text like trigger, price, date, memo, and the text to be ignored, go down, give this template a name. So I'm going to give this template as RBL, name as RBL, and click on account, choose the account. I'm choosing these messages to be synced with my RBL account inside my personal budget. I mark this as an expense because whenever this trigger comes, it is an expense for me. So once everything is done, I click on generate template. So template has been generated. It will show this template is inside. So whenever this trigger comes, initiate on your RBL card ending with 0000, then it will try to pass a message based on this template, and it will sync with your YNAB account. Now we have to wait for an SMS, and once a new SMS comes, we'll click on the sync button, and once the sync button is clicked, we should be able to see it in the YNAB account. Let's wait for an RBL message to come now. We got a new bank message right now. So this one matches our trigger. So on your RBL card ending with this one, this is the location, balance, date and time, and how much we have spent. Now as we got the new message, let's click on the sync button. It actually synced with, so this is the green, means it has been synced properly with the YNAB account. It should show how much it has totally synced. If there is an error, you will see a red stripe over here, which means it was not able to sync. And when you tap on the card, you will be able to see the error message. Now let's see in the YNAB account. I'm refreshing the YNAB page. As you can see, it has been synced with the RBL account now, and it is waiting there with whatever amount and memo and date. It is waiting there to add the payee and the category.